Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I am back from my trip to Guatemala to visit, to celebrate my brother's birthday actually, with all of my family, brothers and sisters. And so now it's like if the summer ended for me here. It's end of September, fall time, the trees are changing colors. It feels like I am behind for everything before Christmas. The fall time is a big busy time for shops, I guess, yeah, because people are shopping for their Christmas gifts and everything. And I'm still waiting on my new fabric to arrive. It passed the custom now, so it should arrive next week, but I still need to cut and prepare everything. So this will delay a little bit my Anne's favorite box number 2 because it will include some fabric. I'll create new bundles as well. So for this week, I thought I could put and list all of the creations that I'm letting go that I did this year, because this year I didn't sell any of my creations. I was too busy doing other things and I was just piling on the creations. I just want you to know that I'm gonna start listing my creations, and now I just want to show you what I got from Guatemala. While I was traveling, I created a little snippet. I didn't complete it, so let me show you how I started it. Like, I started with my sewing machine and just sewing with the sewing machine different layers of laces. And then when I arrived in Guatemala, my brother had sewing needles for me because I couldn't travel with that. And I end stitched those little pieces of my Odulcina fabric that comes from the dresses fabric. They're already small like that, exactly to do snippet rows that I had in mind. So I end stitched some of them, and then I added more little pieces of laces that are a little bit more decorative. And then I added some embroidery knots sometimes to stitch them, and I want to add some pearls. So this will be an ongoing project here that I'm gonna keep doing, and like adding little flowers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna complete it within the next weeks, I guess, and eventually I'll do kind of a tutorial because I have some videos of the making of it. And then this is my shopping that I did in Guatemala City. And I went to a shop, and they were selling gorgeous laces from Italia, from Germany. Nothing was from Guatemala. But anyway, I've been able to deal good prices, still very expensive. And this was sold by the yard, but I've trimmed all of the little appliques from the yard to separate them. This will be part of the Anne's favorite box. It is so soft. It's Italian, I'm pretty sure. That was she told me. It's all Italian or German. Look at this one. This is an Italian chantilly that she was saying. And look at that. You have little sequins and flowers. And if I show you from the side, you can see they're really in the 3Ds. Very, very soft. So they call it an Italian chantilly. And I have this one that I bought. It's all glittery. There's kind of the little tiny sequins there are acting like glitters, and you have beads in the middle of the flowers, and the flowers are kind of in 3D. So look at that. All right, and then I'll show you my favorite. This is quite something. Look at that. Look at the flower clusters here with beads. And they are tiny designs, so we can definitively use them in our junk journal creations or snippet rolls or whatever. They have beads and they are like a tan color, so it matches with everything. You go with blue, you go with pink, you go neutral, so it's skin color. And yeah, so all those I thought I should put a little piece of them in the Anne's favorite box because they are gorgeous. And I wanted to show you the big pieces before I start cutting everything like that, or little rectangles of those laces. But you're gonna find some in fabric kits as well. So just so you know that these fabrics comes from my kit. I'm not typically buying fabric like that or laces like that to resell. It's just because I was traveling and I found them really very, very exquisite. So that's a quick video today. I just wanted to let you know, watch my shop, my Odulcina journals shop. I'm gonna list all of my creation. I'm gonna add everything there slowly but surely. So this is what I'm gonna work on for the remaining of today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.